कॉन्शियस माइंड ह्याच्याविषयी शिकलो. देन चक्राज, आपलं स्टमक कसं वर्क करतं. त्याच्यानंतर आपण शिकलो योगा, थोडा झुंबा, की बॉडी स्ट्रेच करून आपण स्वतःला रिलॅक्स कसं फील करू शकतो. आणि चक्राज मध्ये आपले थॉट्स हे कसे आपल्या शरीरावरती इफेक्ट करतात ह्याच्याविषयी आपण शिकलो.
Wow. Yes, we discuss about the stuff, our body, how our body works, and we are studied about the chakras and how the stomach working, how it is diagnosis our food and the digestion process, and how it is affect our body, and how it's relief, and then we discuss about our thoughts and how to overcome these negative thoughts to positive thoughts. And we discuss some, we do some yogas, and we do some exercise, so Zumba.
The practical session, she helps us in all the every detail. So starting from the day one, she have introduced a different session related to the diet, related to the skin care, related to the hair care, and finally on that final day it was a makeup session, which was my favorite part. So the details she have explained was fabulous. The very minor detail, like how to take care of your skin, which product should be, which product goes on which skin type, she have explained in a very detail. And post the session, it was a practical session where we have conducted the demo makeup on ourselves. For the first time I've done makeup by myself, and I think I've done quite good. Not as fantastic as Rasika ma'am, but it was good. So overall it was a wonderful session for me, and I highly recommend to please enroll into these sessions, and all the best for.
You have done our personal grooming batch master class actually. So how's your first day and how's your second day also? And what you learn actually? Yeah, during this 2 day section, I learned lot of things. The first day we learned how our body works and how the negative thoughts we can remove from our thoughts, our life. And the second day it was very amazing day because we learned the basic things of makeup, and I do first day makeup in myself, and I was very happy,